Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Scratch account and validate it. So this is the new version, before it was given some options, but this is the new version of Scratch. So you click on join Scratch, you create a username. Don't use your real name, but I use my real name there. So the username can be anything you like, but if it's already taken, you can't do it. See, username taken, try another. It won't allow you because okay, what about Little Army? And then is it good? Okay, it's worked. And now create a password. Then you guys, and so you put your password there and you write it again to make sure that if you remember or something. Click on never so nobody breaks in your account, so you can again and again sign in. Select country. Actually, there's a pop-up dialog you have to click. You can take anything, so I'm just taking United Kingdom for some reason, because I'm actually not from United Kingdom. Next, when were you born? Oh, yeah. And what's your gender? I'm a female, means I'm a girl. What's your email address? Yes. It's given here already. Okay, create your account. Welcome to Scratch, Little Army 123. Okay, get started. So see, it says confirm your email to enable sharing. So you go and open your Gmail inbox, and then when you refresh it, this an email should come to you about Scratch. It is saying confirm your Scratch account. So it's Lil Army 123. So if I click on confirm my account, click on OK, let's go. We have created our account and we have also validated it. We have also validated our account, and that's what you do to make your account. Bye guys.